Hey everyone, today I'll be explaining how to install our Inertia Pro Shift Knob on my 10th Gen Civic. The first thing you need to do is detach the boot collar. In order to remove it, pinch the collar and push it down. Next, grab an adjustable wrench and remove the knob. Since our Inertia Pro Shift Knob is countersunk, you need to grab the alignment nut to get the pattern lined up correctly. Take the alignment nut and thread it in about halfway. Next, grab your shift knob and start screwing it in. Chances are the pattern won't be aligned properly, so once you have it tightened up, the trick is to unlock and keep twisting until it gets into place, and eventually it'll line up just like that. After you finish lining up the pattern and everything is tightened up, the last thing you need to do is take the retaining clip of the collar until it's flush to the bottom of the knob. Then reattach the boot collar. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me on Instagram, and thank you for watching.